strange. It takes a little bit getting used to, but it's also very comfortable after you're done.
No, of course not. It is actually not painful at all. In fact, it is actually more of a relief.
Just feel a crack and then everything seems to
Be okay.
be okay. Yep.
I sleep better, I recover faster as well for exercise.
You feel like you can move more freely and stuff like that. Yeah.
It feels like I'm getting realigned correctly, and afterwards there's a bit of a relief. Yeah.
I just like the feeling of the cracks.
I feel it's very comfortable. After that, yes, I have a very good sleep. It's quite relaxed, it's not painful, much better.
Initially, when I first came with my mom, I was a little bit apprehensive. But after looking at how professional the doctor was when he was adjusting my mom, I felt more reassured and I felt that I was in safe hands. I always look forward to coming for my appointments as I always leave feeling less strained at my neck and shoulder region.
I look forward to my adjustment.
First thing that I'll come to do or whenever I come back to Singapore is to visit this place, to get myself adjusted.